one day, I'll help the Popeye and Mr. White and Mr. Black one.
Okay.
Okay. The end.
You didn't even tell me the story.
Well, it's a secret story.
A secret story?
So, the words are hiding.
The words are hiding. What?
The words are behind G's.
Oh. Well, it's just you and me, so you can tell me the secret story.
Well, here we have different. One day, a train named Mr. White came.
Okay.
He was round and white, tender. One day, Mr. White was here, and then another. His name was Mr. Black.
Mm-hmm.
He had 2 cars, and he also was really useful.
Oh, that's good.
One day, there was something that they get a little bit older. They got a little bit slow and a little bit older.
Mm-hmm.
And then they got another engine to help them. His name was Popeye.
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 Mm-hmm.
That's the bullet train one. There you go. I don't know how to read it.
You don't know the rest of the story?
No, I don't.
Did they go to a train party?
Yeah, on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just don't know the word on this one.
That's okay. They just went to a party and they had lots of fun.
Yeah.
What happened on the way home from the party? Did a fast speeding bullet train go by?
Well, I just don't know what this part say, but it's getting closer.
Yeah.
It's getting closer. It's by the hallway. It's in your bedroom.
What's in the bedroom? The bullet train?
Yeah.
Weird.
It's going in the hallway. It's going by my door. And it's gonna miss my story. It's stopped by us. It stopped by us.
The train stopped beside us?
Yeah, see it?
I think so. Is it a black bullet train or a white bullet train?
It's a white bullet train. It's a red bullet train. Usually they're brown or red.
Oh.
Oops. I guess that's...
Is that the end of the story then?
Nope.
Is it the end?
No, it's still on. One day, Black Engine had 3 cars. And then, the driver's not coming back into the bullet train. He has to come back so he doesn't miss my story. Oh, you should know. It's not. Then it's your turn. Oh, but I don't want to have a tongue, but you have to. There's 2 ones that you can have. There's 2 cars and 3 cars. No. Can you just do one? Well, there's that they see this station.
Mm-hmm.
So they have to get this one to somebody that wants to see one. station. 1.
So I guess we're all done the book. I can stop making our movie.
But the train is just. Was that just the train?
So fast.
I guess it was this. It looked like a speeding ball.
Oh my.
It looked like a book.
Yeah.
It looked like your phone this time. It looked like a picture.
Okay.
And it looked like a train. It looked like a high-speed train.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Whereas it's not a high-speed train.
No.
No. It's kind of some kind of...
I don't even know.
And then... My heavens, what was that, Mr. White said? Was Mr. White talking to himself?
No, I think he was talking to Mr. Black and Popeye.
This is Mr. Black and this is Mr. Black and this is Popeye.
Sure.
So
I just want to see the balloon they get after the party.
I guess
Are we there yet?
what? Are we where what?
At the end of the book.
Well, it's after this page.
Oh, okay.
Phew! What was that, Mr. White said? There must have been another bullet train, Mr. Black said.
Oh.
And then the balloon train made a special balloon that they could take home.
Oh, what does that look like?
Looks here.
Oh, yeah. It's very shiny. Now you gotta say, the end.
The end.